We are going to dive in and step through SQL order by clause. Hey, this is IC Trainings, and I'm your mentor, Qasim Nadeem. If you're new here, make sure you click subscribe button and bell icon. So let's jump into it. Order by is used to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, either in ascending order or in a descending order. So again, I'm reading a syntax for you. Select static. You have a pipe sign, either provide static or provide the columns. At least one column is compulsory if you use the column side. And more than one columns are optional because you're having a square bracket here using AdventureWorks, or I can write down AdventureWorks here and go. So what I'm saying over here, select business entity ID, the first name, the middle name, and the last name from the table person. You find out all these fields in the table person.person. Person is a schema name, and this person is a name of a table. Order by business entity ID. Go. So this is business entity ID 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not the index, and you see a sorted order, and we have 19,972 rows. When we do not specify any ascending ASC or DESC, descending, it is ascending by default. So now descending. So now it's starting from the 20,777. If you want to write down, although it's an optional that you specify the ascending. By default, it's ascending. But if you want to write down ASC. We are saying display first name, middle name, and last name from person.person. And the order for this is first you sort on the basis of first name, and wherever you find out the same names, then sort on the basis of last name. So you have a first name A dot, and the middle name is, last name. So you see we have an ascending order over here also. It is not like this, that whatever you find out first and you order that thing. No. When you see Arun, and with the Arun, the last name is Adams, Alexander, Allen, and then Arun Baker, Arun Barron, and the Arun Butler, and the Arun Campbell. Clear? First sort on the basis of this, and then sort on the basis of this. See another thing. Although ascending for this, do not specifying anything, but for this specifying the descending. This means do the order on the basis of first name in ascending. And for the last name, wherever the names come same, go for the last name and do the last names in descending order. Here you can find out. Now, Arun Zhang, Arun Young, Arun Yang, and Wright, and Washington, and coming in the descending order. Is it clear to you? Generally, we do not use this, but we have this option. And you see, we have the same results as we have previously in this case. So this means order by first and third. First and third means whatever the column comes first in this select list, and whatever the column comes at the third number in this list. We can shift this last name here and the first name here. So last name is a number 1 and first name is a number 3. And here in this case, first name is number 1 and last name is number 3. So we can specify by the use of these numbers. Let's see either it serves with the descending ascending things or not. It's working. First field, first name, there's Arun, and then we have third field, there's last name, and last name in descending order. So wonderful options with the order by.